Fire Squad. Today is the day in the life of the Eliott family of 7. We want to show y'all something really quick we just got.
It is the Nordic wand.
Look at that. Now, what is this? You connect it to your toilet, right?
Yes, you connect it to the side of the toilet. You can add liquid to the wand. You unscrew the top, you add liquid in there.
You squeeze the liquid out the wand.
Yes, you just push the button and the liquid squeezes out, and then it reconnects on to your toilet.
It'll be on our Amazon store, and we'll link the store down below for all our goodies, right?
This is a TikTok hack.
Sir, are done.
Wow.
Check it out.
You like it?
And those are for you. You got one for each ear.
You've seen Cash got his ear pierced.
Yes, he got his ears pierced. I'm sure y'all have the location, Piercing Pagoda. Well, it used to be Piercing Pagoda.
Isn't Claire's the most popular piercing place though?
I think Claire's is. They did have a Claire's in the mall. But he went to Piercing Pagoda, which is like Barton. It's this one.
Yeah, Piercing. Yeah, it's Banter. Yeah.
Banter. Piercing Pagoda.
And how much did it cost again? I think you said it was expensive.
$65.
$65? Them things better be real diamonds, princess cut. The ones should be on your finger, but they're not real diamonds.
Well, they're not real diamonds, but it's gold. It's real gold.
It's real gold.
And the reason his costed more than usual, because I was trying to I wasn't trying to get like the cheapest, but I also wasn't trying to get, there was more expensive ones.
For what? Were they real diamonds?
Oh, they were like $100 and more. But no, he had to get that one because his earlobe, she said, was like thicker.
Different, yeah.
Thicker, bigger, whatever. So it needed a longer,
like stud.
Yeah. So last time he got it pierced, this is his third time getting his ear pierced.
Really? I don't even remember.
It usually falls out.
Yeah, his fell out twice before, and then after that we just kind of never got it back because COVID hit.
Right.
So he's been asking, he wanted it pierced, so that's the reason why we got it.
Right.
And she said the reason why they fall out is because he had a shorter earring, so we had to pay a little extra to get the longer one. It does come with a 1-year warranty, so I'm happy about that.
I've never heard of that. You get a warranty for your ear piercing.
Yes,
that's
for
cool.
1 year.
So my thing is at what age should a child get their ear pierced? Because I think online I did a little research. They said at 2 months is the best time, and they say 2 months, not 5 months plus, in that range, because they tend to do this and they'll get an infection, but 2 months is best. I don't know why they said that. And they also said that it's best actually to wait till your kids have a tetanus shot. So I heard things from different sources. Doesn't that make sense? Get your tetanus shot first?
That makes sense. I actually, honestly, never thought of that.
Get their tetanus shot because it's metal going in, cleanliness,
Yes.
Comment down below at what age you think a child should get their ear pierced. Or, if you're against it, no judgment here, but what's your thoughts?
I do know when Eliott was a baby, I thought it was 2 months. And they were like, no, it's 3 months. So I was like, okay. So we waited for her to turn 3 months. Exactly the date she turned 3 months, we went and got her ears pierced. And then with Deshaun, obviously he's a boy. I want his ears pierced, but he doesn't
Cash
want
is a
that
boy
now.
too, though. If you guys are.
I know.
Dad has his ear. I have my ear pierced.
You have your ears pierced. So Cash wanted his ears pierced.
Yeah.
Deshaun did not.
Deshaun don't want him. I mean, it's his choice, his body.
Yeah. And for Kendrick, we actually have not ever talked to him about ear piercing.
It's up to him.
So it's pretty much up to him. Faith had her ears pierced at 3 months as well.
Baby girl, yeah.
So I do know some doctors, pediatricians' offices actually do ear piercing.
No, they don't.
Yeah,
I never heard a doctor will
That's
give
cat.
Sean said that's cat.
Pediatrician offices do baby ear piercings.
No. So what they gonna give him real diamonds at the baby?
Nah.
It'd be like,
I don't know
my
what
insurance
they
covers
give.
this. Real
No,
diamonds.
the insurance don't cover it. You got to come out of pocket.
Oh my goodness.
But our particular pediatrician office does not. But I know I have some friends who are like, yeah, I took my baby
That's
to the
cool.
pediatrician. And I was like, what?
Wow. And that would be actually the best place to get it, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Have a professional that is more clean. Man. I mean, do you think that lady was clean? Like,
Oh,
really?
very. They had the sterilization
Yeah, I
machine
showed
right
her
there.
rubbing it, but
She rubbed his ear with alcohol pretty good. I mean, it's a brand new pack of earrings. The gun thing.
it's a earring
Piercer.
Piercer, yeah.
I mean, they had the sterilization thing right there as well.
Right.
So everything to me was sterilized and seemed good
Well, Cash did good. He did really good, actually.
for his third time. Hopefully last time. I don't know why his ears close so easy.
Is this going to be the last time we have to take you to get your ear piercing?
I hope.
You hope?
Well, listen, if that earring comes out, I will be back at Piercing Pagata.
No, babe, to pay the same price?
No.
Oh, yeah, we got a warranty.
It's a 1-year warranty.
Wow.
So by a year, his ears should not be closing up.
Isn't it true that your ears close up quick? Like, how long does it take for your earrings? Because if I take my earrings out, how long will it take till they'll close up, even though I had them for years? Is that possible? Can still close up?
I think after a certain time, they don't close up. Faith
Really?
has had her ear pierced since she was 3 months. She's 3 years old. I can say she spent more time having no earrings in her ear than having earrings in her ear, and her ears are still pierced. You
Are
just
you
gotta,
sure?
their hole's still there. You just gotta give it an extra little.
Oh,
Extra
no.
little love.
Oh.
If Kendrick gets his ears pierced, I'll probably get my ear.
Oh, if Kendrick gets...
Oh Lord.
I heard that, so back in the day, there was a popular thing I heard that they used to put broomstick pieces in there. Like pieces of hay. Anybody know what I'm talking about? I remember seeing kids growing up with hay in their ear. Like it was
I know.
weird.
I've
What
seen
is that?
pictures. I don't know what that is.
Is that wood? What is that?
I don't know what that is. I know for my brother, my mom pierced his ear. And my dad, at home. And my dad was not happy. He came home, he said, take that thing out your ear.
He was not upset.
It's still
he was not happy, I mean.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and get some lunch. Well, dinner, right?
Dinner.
We're gonna see if Olive Garden is open to get us a seat. Now, let me tell you the issue. We're a family of 7, so it's not easy to go somewhere and get to sit down. I mean, I swear. Usually it was, what, an hour wait?
Yeah.
But we did call this Olive Garden and they said, hey, we have an opening now.
If you can hurry and get
If
here.
you can hurry and get here. We're 10 minutes away. Comment down below. You think we'll make it in time? Or, because we done this before, we got there and they're like, oh, sorry, you got to wait an hour.
Yeah, so we'll see.
We'll see.
Sometimes it's 2 hours.
Sean said sometimes it's 2 hours.
Sometimes it's 3 hours actually. That is kind of really, there's 3 hours.
Yeah. And then you know what's crazy is no restaurant that we know of does reservations. Comment down below what restaurant you know of does reservations. Ever since C19, what?
There's been no reservations.
Isn't that crazy though?
First come, first serve.
Yep. Finally, they said it's an open spot, so we getting in here to eat.
The
For
first
sure. We're trying to calm her down. We're here at Olive Garden, trying to get our food. What's up, Sean? They were fighting over this thing not so long ago, so they gave us 2. Good thing. Sheesh. Caught you in 4K licking the plate. Jeez, what happened to your soup, boy? Sheesh. What'd you get, Mom?
Margarita.
Chicken margarita. Eliott got soup and salad. This is, I'm sharing this with Faith. Cut some up for her. Sit down, baby. Eat your fruit. Eat your fruit. And then Kendrick and Cash got pizza. Sean got chicken Alfredo. Look good. All right, you all. This is our little journey. Popping up on the screen is another suggested video. Stay blessed. Thank you for watching our vlog. Peace.